Okay, today we're going to try and practice our double-double strategy. So do you've learnt your double-double strategy before? Yeah. So you know this one. So if I was to say something like this, like 4 times 2, what do you know that as?
That's probably 8, because I know what 4 plus 4 is. So times 2 also means like so
you have 2 groups,
double.
right?
It
means double. Okay. So if I got 1, 2, 3, 4, can you give me double that amount?
Double that amount.
Yep, you go get them.
So I'll get them together.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so you know that 4 times 2 is another way of saying double 4. And what's the answer?
8.
8. Okay. Now we're going to do it again over here. So we're going to do another group of 4 times 2. Can you make them with me? I'll make the first set.
But is it?
All right. So I've got one. Oh, this one doesn't want to stick. I'll try again. I've got one group of 4. Can you give me another group of 4?
Yep. 1, 4. Just so you know, year 3 should probably know.
Oh, I keep falling over. Okay, so here I've got double 4 is what?
8.
And I've just done it again, haven't I? So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, and you've given me another group of 4. So what's that?
18.
Don't guess. What's this amount?
Oh, that's 8 as well.
All right, so if I have got 4 times 2, I'm going to write this over here as 4 times 2 equals 8. We know that there's 8 here. And I've done it again. 4 times 2 equals, what was this one again?
8.
8. We can do that. This is a funny thing. So we've got double, and then I've got another double. So can we add these together? What is that? What's 8 plus 8 or double 8?
That would be 16.
Equals 16. Now I'm going to check that you're right. These are coming, keep popping off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You're right. It is 16. And I've got 4 times 4, 2 groups of 4 and 2 groups of 4. But what if I wanted to write that a different way? What if I didn't want to write it as 2 groups of 4 and 2 groups of 4? Is there another way that I could write this, Millie? How many groups of 4? Oh, they keep falling over. How many groups of 4 do we have?
Well, so we have 2.
No, we don't.
Oh.
Here's one group of 4.
Do we into 4 quarters?
I think you're using the wrong word.
Well, like we can.
This is one group of 4.
And do 4.
2 groups of 4.
4 fours.
4 fours. How would we write that with numbers and symbols, Millie?
So with numbers and symbols, we would write 4 times 4 times
4 times.
Times 4.
Yeah, because this says 4 groups of 4, isn't it?
Yeah.
Groups of 4.
4 groups of 4, which is that one.
Yep.
And then there would be another group of 4, which would equal 16.
Right. So we're learning something called the double-double fact. I'm going to pause the video and we're going to start something in a minute. Okay. So now I want 4 groups of 3. I've got one group of 3. Can you make them for me?
Yep, I'll
make them into an array?
Yeah. A little bit of, that one's
That's
chewed up. Can't stick.
All right, I'll give you one then. How many groups of 3 do you have now?
2. So
2 groups of 3. But do I want 2 groups of 3?
no, I want 4.
All right, I'm going to make a little gap in the middle. Do you mind if we make a little gap in the middle? And then you keep making another group of 3? Go on. Okay, well, that's 3 groups of 3. Are we there yet?
Nope.
Okay.
Another way to do this, I know.
Wait, not yet.
Way,
Not yet.
But I'm not gonna say it yet.
Okay, there we go.
No, I'm just gonna use Mr. Bread.
Okay, use Mr. Bread. Go on. Okay, is that 4 groups of 3 now?
Yep.
Now, I could use my skip counting by 3s to find the answer, but we're practicing our double-double strategy. So with our double-double strategy, there's an easy way of finding this. What's double 3?
I know what double 3 is. It's 6.
All right, so then this one must be 6. So what's double 6?
So I know how to skip count by 2. So I'm gonna
No, we're not going to do that. We're going to
No,
practice
like,
our double strategy.
Yeah.
So we need to, some of these we need to remember off by heart. What is double 6, which is 6 plus 6?
That 6 plus 6 is 6 plus 6 is 12.
12. Let's check your answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So to find our 4 times tables, we're going to practice a new strategy called double-double. If you know it's 2 times table, then all you need to do is double it and you will find it's 4 times table. Do you think we can have a go at this without our counters this time?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to pause the video. I've been a bit lazy and I don't want to draw all the dots in here, but we're going to do the first one. What's this problem?
That is 4 groups of 5.
Right, so if we practice our double-double strategy, can you double this number for me?
Yes, I can double 5.
What's that?
That is 10.
Okay.
Super easy.
And if we practice our double-double strategy, we know that this one is also going to be 10. So what's our second double?
Our second double is 10 and plus 10, which equals 20.
Excellent. So we can use, to find any 4 times table, we can use our double-double strategy. So double it once and then double it again. All right, I'm going to try and make it trickier. Let's see how we go. Okay, now we're getting even trickier. So remember, which one here, if we're doing our 4 times table, which one are we going to double?
We are going to double the 6.
Okay, all right.
We've already done that.
Which is what?
12.
You know that one. So we know that if we double it once, it would be 12. So this is the tricky part. Can you double it again?
Yes.
What's double it again?
24.
24. You're only in year 2 and you already know this. Because you know your 2 times tables, you know your...
4 times tables.
All right. I'm going to give you one more problem, and it might be a little bit tricky this time, but I want you to try your best. Now, I've skipped ahead to a tricky one. And if you don't know how to add them together, that's okay. We'll work it out together. I will help you. All right. What's this one? Which one are we doubling? Which one are we going to double?
8. And I know what that is already because we've already done it.
What is
16.
it? All right. So that's 16. Right. So we know that this one would also be 16. Now, this is where it gets tricky for someone in year 2. Can you double 16?
No.
But you can. Can you add the 6s together?
Yep.
What's that?
12.
Okay, when we add the
So
6s
then-
together, it's 12. Can we add the 10s together?
Yep.
What's that?
That would be 20.
My pen's running out. It is.
But we also
Now,
have...
can you add the 20 and the 12 together?
Yes, that would be the 32 because we have to add the 12 into the 20, which would equal 30.
And
then we add the into the
30?
into the 30, which would be 32.
Oh my gosh. You used your addition strategies and you found the answer. I'm so proud of you. Can I get a high five? So even though you're in year 2, you know that if you know your 2 times tables, you can find your 4 times tables by doing what? Double, then double it again. Good job.